What is happening, guys? Gary Jahman here, back at it again with a new video. Hope you're doing well, hope you're safe and happy. And yes, it has been a while since I made a video because I was just too busy with a lot of things such as motorcycle riding and stuff. But anyways, I'm back now with a new video about cameras, and this right here is the Lumix G100K, the Panasonic G100, and this is the one that we're going to unbox and find out if this is any good. So, you know, looking for a small compact camera to vlog around with is always a nice thing to have. So let's unbox this together. Right. So it comes in a nice blue box. Doesn't have a lot of things going on, but you know, for a small price, it is nice to have, of course, some documents. And I honestly don't know much about this camera, so bear with me, guys. Ooh, I think this is the camera itself. Ooh, feels very lightweight, compact as well. Oh, this is a bunch of accessories that we definitely going to need. A little bit of a messy unboxing, to be honest. Right, so here we got the strap, some charging cables, of course the charging unit, and of course, very important, the battery. And now right here, ooh, it is much smaller than I anticipated. Nice. Let's see here. It is a nice small compact camera. Almost as small as the Sony ZV or ZV-E10. Looks pretty awesome. And as you see, it will shut down the shutter, so the lens itself or the sensor itself will not be exposed, which is sure a good thing. Really curious to see how this 12 to 32 lens will perform. And this is a micro four thirds sensor, right, which is cool. So I got here a little SD card that we can use. Pop it in there and see if this will start or not. On, off. All right, here it is, guys. Okay, it's now on a, I don't know what, gonna put it on fully automatic. Let's take the first shot. Okay, let's take the first one. Not sure if it's JPEG or not whatsoever. Straight from the camera. Alright, there's a little timer on it. Good. So let's check out straight out of camera footage. Alright, this right here is directly straight out of the box with the Lumix G100. And let me know what you like. So far, this is my first impression and looks pretty cool on this little screen, but we'll see in the full review. Right, so that's pretty cool, right? Like a nice little camera to have with you, walk around with. Nice, small, compact. I like it so far. So if you're interested in this camera and you want to know a lot of things, let me know in the comment section down below. So if you got any questions or anything that you want to see about this little camera, let me know. And if you like this video and if you want to see the full review, subscribe to the channel as well, and I would highly appreciate that as well. So guys, that's all. I have to come in a little bit after being away for a while, but I'm back and let's make some great videos, starting with this Panasonic Lumix G100. As always, stay safe, stay happy, and I'll see you in the next one. Good luck.